This recipe makes focaccia so soft that you will never stop eating it. Let's start with the dough. Put the flour in the bowl, crumble in the brewer's yeast, then pour in almost all the water and attach the dough hook. You can also do it by hand too. However, if we have the technology to help, why not use it? Continue to very slowly pour in the water. Add the salt in too, and I can steadily pour in the oil. That's enough. The dough has become elastic. Let's give our dough a nice spherical shape, and then put it in a lovely bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Allow the dough to rise for 2 hours at room temperature. Our dough has risen, so now I will transfer it from the bowl to a pan. I will use a 26 centimeter springform pan, and I will lightly grease it. Put the dough into the pan, and then try to spread it out. Being careful not to apply too much pressure, cover it with plastic wrap, or even a plate, and let it rise for another hour in the oven with only the oven light on. While the dough is rising, we can prepare the brine. Combine the water and the olive oil together in a bowl, and using a little whisk, mix them up well. The brine is ready. Now that the dough has finished rising for the second and final time, we need to create the classic dimples on the surface of our focaccia. And carefully spread the brine over the surface. Let's finish our focaccia by sprinkling on some flakes of salt and a few sprigs of rosemary. Now we can bake it in an oven set to static mode at 200 degrees, and in 40 minutes, it will be ready. Our big focaccia is ready. It is also perfect for topping. However, just plain, it still holds its own. Let's cut a large slice. And now, let's try it. It's really good. It came out so super soft. Try making it, okay?
Ciao!